Video gets a thumbs up. Students value video, they value motion graphics, they value conceptual videos, small bite-sized pieces of knowledge. Boring video is not tolerated. Students value their textbooks, particularly where there's no reader or they regard the reader as insufficient or outdated. But the problem with the textbook is there's no range focus. Thumbs up for ebooks from the library. Students do read them, but a thumbs down for reading packs. As one student said, they are a waste of paper. And I think it had more to do with the volume that was given in the reading pack. If you're going to give a student 500 pages to read prior to a learning opportunity, they're not going to read it. 2 thumbs up for lecture slides, as said earlier. Students want them, they value them. It's deemed a bridge to the lecturer. It's deemed as access to the lecturer. Thumbs down for the PLC, the Pathology Learning Center, and interestingly, at that time, not many students realized that it had been digitized, so seeing the digital elements inside the e-reader was beneficial. Thumbs down for journal articles. Students at this level, being second years, don't really use or access journal articles, but 2 thumbs up for past assessment questions, one of the greatest curriculum guides in terms of preparing students for assessment. 2 thumbs up for interconnectivity of disciplines as facilitated by the EE. As one student said, it adds contextualization. So that's the ability in a multidisciplinary integrated curriculum to be able to link different sections to each other. So as one student said, they want their learning resources located in one place. And as I said earlier, the absence of certain readers or e-readers was a barrier to the fulfillment of the e-reader's potential. So students said that they spent a lot of time accessing and retrieving new and previously visited learning resources, and having the ability to go back to where they had access to learning resource was highly valuable for students. So students want learning resources to be given to them, they want them to be supplied to them, but they also want to be able to generate, collate, create their own and then share those learning resources. So the ability to collate and curate and collaborate is very important for students. Thumbs up for that contribution. And this is quite interesting. One student said in VULA, course convenience lecturers and the class rep are the only users that are permitted to contribute those learning resources. Why can't we have an environment where all students are contributing learning resources? So thumbs up, as I said, for that, for collaboratively adding learning resources. So the ability to be able to create, curate, and collaborate.